Guys, it's John from Side Hustle Experiment. I am in the warehouse. I am listing books today. The lister is off the next 2 weeks, so I am doing Merchant Fulfilled and FBA. And one thing I wanted to tell everyone, now that I'm doing this, I'm starting to remember all the little tips and tricks that I don't really come across that much anymore because I don't really list. But I want to reveal today the quickest way to take off stickers on books. A lot of people ask me this question, and it's annoying. Like, that used to be the worst part, cleaning the books. You have these Goodwill stickers, stickers like this, Target stickers. And I did watch to see if anyone made a video about this, and the people who made videos about this, no offense to them, their process was super complicated. This is actually the easiest and most quickest way, I guarantee you. I used to use this Scotty peeler. Thank you, Scout IQ, Caleb Roth, Goo Gone. So I would literally take these stickers off like this. And then once this came off, it would be sticky. So I get a paper towel and, get rid of the residue. It added about an extra hour-ish, maybe a half hour, depending on how many books there were, especially if there were a lot of books from Goodwill. So the secret to doing this is super simple. Basically, I buy these stickers. These are just thank you stickers. Oops, other way. All right, I got these on Amazon. I'll put a link in the below. I've been doing this for almost 2 years now. I've never had an issue. I think when people buy used books, they expect, maybe there'll be a sticker on it or whatever. I have tried to use the Dymo labels, but they're kind of a pain. Like, you put it, you can still see through it. So yeah. I've been using this. So I'll show you exactly how I do it. So for one like this, right, it shows the price. I don't want that. So I would literally just take like 2 stickers off of here. Like that. There's one. And there's the second one. And I just put it like that. And then that's it. So there's another one here for Target. Grab a sticker, boom, just put that over for that. Sometimes I'll even do it to cover like cosmetic damage, like that looks like it's like ripped or whatnot. So I would literally scan this book first, because I'm going to cover the barcode, but for the purposes of this video, I take that and just put the sticker there. Now it looks like there's hardly any damage instead of being ripped. The good old Goodwill stickers, I hate when they do that. These actually, even though I do bulk, I still get stickers on stuff sometimes. So even that, like for the corner, I would just take this sticker, put it there, wrap it around, seal it a little bit, and that's it. It makes it super simple. You don't need a heat gun and all this other stuff. Yes, the labels will cost you money, but they're super cheap, and plus your time is worth a lot more than the cost of those labels. I think there's about 1,000 to these. So that's the quickest way to remove labels from books without needing a heat gun, Goo Gone, this Scotty peeler. Thank you anyway, Caleb Roth. So yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think in the comments. And I hope it makes your listing process much quicker. Have a good one, guys. See you in the next one.